Natasha, I want to be a father. When he thumps, you can feel it in the ground. That sound there, you feel it. Okay. She's like, Mom, I don't like it. Tell him to stop touching me. I want to touch you more. Let me put my wing around you and show you how much I love you. No, thanks. I'm good. I'm really good. I will dance all day for you, sweetheart. That's okay. I've seen enough. Wait, I'll show you one more time. Hold on, from the front. It's still the same. Not looking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.